Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What is your name?
My name is Rimsha Jamil.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rawalpindi, Pakistan.
Okay, good. How many languages you can speak?
I can speak English, Urdu and Punjabi.
Wow, well, you speak 3 languages.
Yes.
You're almost polyglot. Good. Which is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Punjabi.
Punjabi. Good. Teach me some Punjabi phrases. I want to learn Punjabi. What is your favorite phrase in Punjabi?
Not favorite phrases because we are in Pakistanis and we are insecure to speak Punjabi, so we mostly speak Urdu.
Why you feel insecure?
Society issues.
I see. In which province you speak Punjabi?
I speak Punjabi in Punjab only.
In Punjab. Okay. So Islamabad is part of Punjab?
No, Islamabad is not a part of Punjab.
Okay. So which language you mostly speak in Islamabad? Urdu, yeah?
We speak only Urdu.
Okay, good. So, but when back to Rawalpindi, you only speak Punjabi, right?
No, in our home only we speak Punjabi, but with our mother are those who don't know Urdu. Otherwise, we speak Urdu.
So there are some family members who cannot speak Urdu in your...
Yes.
I see. Okay, good. Just tell me how to say how are you in Punjabi or my name is, some basic phrases.
In Punjabi, how are you? तुसां दा की हाल है? और आप क्या कर रहे हैं? तुसां क्या करदे हो पे? Basically there are more types of Punjabi and every division has its own Punjabi. So if you go in Punjab, in every division you learn other speak languages in Punjab.
It's like different dialects.
Yes.
But you can understand all dialects.
Yes, all.
Okay, good. So is it true like if we travel to Rawalpindi and we speak Punjabi and we go to bazaar to do shopping, sellers can give us discount if we speak Punjabi?
No, it's not true.
Not true?
No.
Okay, that's so interesting. Some other phrases in Punjabi. How to say, how much is it? That is expensive. Do for me some discount.
How much is it? ये कितने दा है? और इसके अलावा आपने क्या पूछा?
And can you make discount?
हम तो ये पंजाबी में कहते हैं कि प्यार मोहब्बत, क्योंकि हम ये अगर कहीं के कम कर दें, वो कहते हैं नहीं हम जितना कह रहे हैं उतना ही लेंगे.
Okay, I see. So which language you feel comfortable to speak?
We comfort in speaking Urdu.
Urdu. Okay, how about English? How did you learn English language?
English language we learn in our school, colleges and universities, and we not much speak English.
Okay, so how do you keep practicing English in this case? You sound very well in speaking English.
Yes.
So how do you keep practicing and to save your good quality of speaking?
It's about your interest. If you interest to learn, then you can learn from YouTube. There are too many teachers, academies. But if you're not in interest, then you speak only Urdu.
Okay. Do you have any interest to keep learning English? Or?
Yes, I have interest.
So how do you maintain learning English?
I have YouTube. Sometimes I learn from YouTube, but I want to go to academy for learn because on YouTube I am not focusing. But when I go to academy, I will focus that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you know any YouTube channel who teach very well English for Pakistani people?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. Any suggestion?
Because in Pakistan, everyone made YouTube for their own concern. They don't made for pupils' easiness. So mostly when we search for English, we have seen only foreigners' pages.
I see. Okay, good. Do you have in your mind to learn any other foreign language? And which language do you want to learn?
Sometimes Korean language attracts me, but I don't know how to learn.
Okay, how Korean language attracts you? Why?
Because in Pakistani mostly people are BTS lovers, so yes.
You are also BTS lover?
No, I'm not much, but some.
Okay, who's your, how I can say, idol? Who's your idol?
As being Muslim, our ideal is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
I see. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What is your name?
My name is Davai Denis.
Where are you from?
I am basically from Jhelum, but now shifted to Islamabad.
Okay, good. How many languages you can speak?
I can speak 3 languages, Punjabi, Urdu and English.
Okay. So which is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Punjabi.
Good. So Punjabi is spoken in Jhelum, right?
Yes, in Punjab and I can say in Pakistan, many people know, learn and speak Punjabi as well.
I see. Is there any privilege speaking Punjabi in Pakistan?
Punjabi, I can say Punjabi people can speak Punjabi as well, but other cities like Islamabad, Karachi, they are shy to speak Punjabi, and Pathan don't know about Punjabi. So I can say Punjabi also. Punjabi is also foreigner can speak, but I can say Punjabi is a language which is spoken in only Punjab, or mostly in Punjab.
Do you know history of Punjabi language? For how many years this language exists?
Punjabi is, I can say Punjabi is too old. Punjabi, I know, I don't know about history because my mother tongue is Punjabi, but I used to speak Urdu. So even I don't know real Punjabi because I can say that I was lived not much in Jhelum. I moved to Islamabad. So in Islamabad we speak Urdu. So I don't know real history about Punjabi.
Okay. Do you see any importance of knowing your mother tongue and what this knowing can bring to you?
Okay, so if we, I can say, if we are attract. If we want to attract people, if we want to attract other foreigners, so we have to learn Punjabi. If we have to learn mother language, but people our society pressure is to. I can say people are too shy. That's why people are too shy to speak their mother languages like Punjabi, Pashto, Saraiki. So people want to show their image as we can speak Urdu, not Punjabi.
Yeah, I've seen this thing very common here in Pakistan, especially in Islamabad. Some people say that they don't need to learn Urdu. They even English is enough. English is more important, or especially
Community
mothers say to
standard
their
can
children.
I can say community standard are society pressure.
I see.
Yes.
Can you teach me some Punjabi phrases?
Okay, Punjabi phrases. So as you are our guest, so I can say in Punjabi, ji aaya nu, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ welcome ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ਾਮਦੀਦ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ.
Khushamdeed.
Khushamdeed mean welcome to Pakistan.
It's in Punjabi.
In nahi, Khushamdeed is in Urdu, but in Punjabi we use ji aaya nu.
Ji
Instead
aaya
of
nu.
Khushamdeed, instead of welcome, we can say ji aaya nu.
Ji aaya nu.
Ji aaya nu.
Okay.
Okay.
Some other phrases, couple of.
Some other phrases like phate chak deange, yani ke we will rock.
Again?
Phate chak deange, we will rock.
Patte chak naye.
Phate
Patte
chak deange,
chak diyange.
yes, we will rock.
Oh, this is very handy phrase.
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, good. So which language do you feel comfortable speaking?
Urdu.
Oh.
I love Urdu because my degree is in BS Urdu. So I love Urdu.
Okay. How did you learn English? You speak very well in English.
English, I can say it's on YouTube channels, in newspapers, but not as much. It's a big loss for Pakistan because English is a worldwide language, but in our schools, in our colleges, in our universities, teachers don't show the right path to learn English. We are used to learn from grammars and other things. So as that's at my concern, I learn English as YouTube channels, newspaper, even cricket commentaries as well.
Yeah, that's very handy because the same thing in many countries that they know very well grammar, but their speaking
Can speak
skill
English.
is very
Yes,
bad.
yes.
Okay, good. Do you have any suggestion, as you said already, you watch YouTube channels, to our viewers to improve their English language? Any YouTube channel
Okay.
in learning English?
Okay, so there are many academies, many YouTube channels associated with academies. So they are offering people to learn English. So I can said Yamal College Jhelum. It's a page on Facebook as well. It's a channel on YouTube as well. They can bring you more languages. They can offer you many courses. So YouTube channel name Yamal College, Facebook channel page name Yamal College. It's a bestest way to learn English.
Okay, so as you have done also your degree in
Urdu.
Urdu, yeah? Which field is that? Mass media?
No, it's a language Urdu. So
Language Urdu.
Yes.
So it was like 100% taught in Urdu, or you had You had some classes mixing with English.
Yes, Urdu is a I can say Urdu is have many diversities. You can't say that I have learned total or full Urdu because of a degree. So daily basis I have to learn, and I am learning Urdu to meet people, others, to other journalists, because I am a journalist. So as we meet as other people, so I am learning day by day Urdu. So I can't say as I completed my degree in Urdu, so I have fully learned Urdu.
I see. Okay, good. Thank you.